Hey everyone, welcome back to Dynamics 365 Universe. In today's video, we're diving into a very important, but often overlooked, property in table design. Cache Lookup in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Understanding how Cache Lookup works can significantly improve your application's performance, especially when you're working with large datasets or frequently accessed tables. So, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. First things first, what exactly is Cache Lookup? It's a property on a table that controls how the system caches data when that table is queried. In simple terms, instead of hitting the database every single time, Dynamics 365 can store and reuse data from memory to make your application faster and more efficient. But how and when it does this depends on the option you choose in the Cache Lookup property. Let's go through each option, with real-world examples so it sticks. Option 1. None. This means no caching at all. Every time a record is needed, Dynamics goes back to the database, fresh, raw, and real-time. Use this only when data is changing very frequently and needs to be up to the minute, like live transaction or stock tables. This caches data only when outside a transaction, or TTS scope. If your business logic runs inside a transaction block and the data might change during that process, this keeps it safe. A good choice for tables that are read frequently but might also be updated in transactions. This caches only records that are found in the database. So, if Dynamics finds a record, it stores it in memory, and next time, it retrieves it faster. Useful when most queries will return valid results. This is a smart one, it caches both found records and those that were not found. Yes, even if a record doesn't exist, it saves that fact to avoid re-querying the database again and again. It's great for frequently accessed lookup tables or validation tables. And finally, the entire table option loads and caches the entire table into memory. Sounds powerful? It is, but also risky. Use this only for very small, static tables, like a country list, currency codes, or status types. Here's a quick summary to help you decide what to use when. Let's wrap up with some best practices. Don't use entire table on large tables, it'll slow your system down. Found and empty is a great default for most lookup tables. Use none only when real-time accuracy is more important than speed. That's it for today's video. Hope this gave you a clear and practical understanding of how Cache Lookup works in Dynamics 365 F&O. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dynamics 365 Universe, where we simplify technical concepts with real examples every week. Got questions or want more table property breakdowns? Drop them in the comments, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.